warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Idayanti Puspitasariss. I'm from 12 Science 1. I will create a new Google account. First, open Google. Select the Google profile that is on the top right. Click Add another account. Click Create Google account. Choose for yourself. Fill your first name and fill your last name. Click Next. Enter your date of birth and gender. Click Next. Choose a Gmail address or create your own email address. Fill in the password that you can easily remember. Click Next. Yes, I'm in. Next. I agree. Wait and to success make a Google account. Thank you. That's all. My video is more or less. Sorry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.